اللهم صل على محمد في الأولين وصل على محمد في الآخرين وصل على محمد في الملأ الأعلى إلى يوم الدين.
Islamic quiz.
Who reveals the Quran? Allah. How many surahs are in the Quran? (114). 114. Is ablution required before you touch the Quran? Yes. Which prophet was the Quran revealed to? Prophet Muhammad. How many surahs starts with Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim? (113 surahs. What is the smallest surah in the Quran? Surah Kotha. How many Jews are there in the Quran? (30). In which place was the first verse of the Quran revealed? Cave Hira. What is the best drink mentioned in the Quran? Milk. What is the best night described in the Quran? Night of Qadr. Which surah's name means the elephant? Surah Tul-Fil. Which surah doesn't start with Bismillah? Surah Tul-Tawbah. How many did you get correct? Comment down below.